Hello again, folks. Tonight we're going to do a little bit of a kit build. It's a little kiddies kit build, and to help me out I've got a special guest. And that special guest is...
Charlie.
And, yeah, hello. Right, this is Charlie. This is my middle son. And he's going to build this kit that he got for his...
Birthday.
Who did you get it off of?
Grandma.
Grandma. Why did she get you this?
Because she thought I wanted to do it.
Yeah.
And we're actually doing it now.
Yeah, we're doing it now, aren't we? Will I take it out of the box for you? Or do you want to do it?
I don't want to do it.
Okay, right, you open it up and see what you get in. You can see he's had these grubby mitts all over this. So yeah, this is just a little kiddies kit. It's not truly an electronic kit, but it's just something to get the kids involved with. And what's that? We need to get that, don't we? What's that?
That's in the instructions.
Yeah, that is the instructions. I thought you could keep your lunch in that, couldn't you? Right, we'll get that out of the way. And you have a look at the instructions.
Okay.
And Daddy will...
That one's easy, so when you put those wires on, you just have to stick it through those holes.
Yeah. So Daddy will open this. And we'll see what we get.
It's not actually like the hard one like I got for my Lego plane for my birthday.
Yeah, that was quite hard, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really hard. And there was things everywhere. Because I think there was 4 things to build.
Yeah.
The helicopter, the plane, and another plane.
Yeah, right. We'll get this all open up.
There was one plane without a thing with a stick, and then there's a stick the other way round, and then there was one with it.
Okay. We're going to have lots of fun building those things, aren't we?
Yeah.
Right, so we'll open all these bits up, as you can see.
Yeah, you can actually put this on.
But we've got to put everything else. We've got to follow the instructions, haven't we? Right, so I think this bit comes off. Right, so what have we got here, do you think? What do you think goes in here?
I don't know.
What do you think goes in to make it work? Look at the instructions. Do you want to put the instructions down so that people can see? What do you think those are?
Batteries.
Yeah, batteries. So, what's the first thing we've got to do? You look at the instructions. What bit do you think we need first?
We need these things.
Yeah, which bits do you think those are?
We need to put this through here.
Yeah, so this is a piece we need, and we need these bits here, don't we?
Yeah, and we need these bits, and then we need red and blue wire.
Right, okay, so...
and we need the base for it. And we need that teeny weeny bit.
Okay.
Which is that bit.
That's the switch, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so Daddy will just help you put these in, because these are really footery.
Yeah.
Oh. And do you know what this is called? This is like a really simple version of what they call a breadboard that all the people watching... Are you looking? Some of the people watching make little projects with these. Do you want to put the last one in?
Yeah.
Oh, and then that. Wait a second. Just let me make sure that that's not. It's that. And you put it into the next one there.
Put it in.
Oh, just be careful you don't break it. Let me see you don't force it. Oh, you've missed it slightly. Wait a second, we'll take it out.
Whoopsie daisy.
Whoopsie daisy, it's okay.
We're just going to use a special tool.
Yeah, and we'll push that in there. You can push it in now.
Push.
Right, just make sure these are not touching. Because this beeps when it touches. So if those were touching, it would make that noise, but it's not, so that's good. So that's the first bit. And then we need to put in the buzzer, don't we? So...
yeah.
I think it would be easier if we put the wires through the holes first. So,
yeah.
okay.
So we need to stretch them out a little bit.
Yeah, stretch them out a little bit. Clever. And then one for each hole. Will I help you with the black one?
Yeah.
And then you put the red one in, and then push it through.
And then we need.
To turn it the other way around.
Wait, this way.
Turn it so the look. Watch out a second. I can't see for your hand. This bit needs to go through. Wait till we see.
Oh.
Yeah, you need to push it in there. That's us.
That's
okay.
it. There. So we've done the first one. Now the second one is to put that bit into there. That's easy.
Right, you put that in there then. Lift it up by the wires. Oh well, that'll do then. Okay?
Yep.
And then we'll push that down. So that's us ready there.
Yep.
So what we didn't do is we didn't put the switch in, did we?
No.
So we will put the how have they done this? Let me see.
Oh, it's going to be tricky. We needed to flip it over.
No, that'll be okay. Right, so if you push that in, in fact, I'll line it up because there's. There you go. If you push the switch in, well, that went in really easily. That's a bit worrying. Let me see.
It's hard.
I don't think that should have went in so easy. Yeah, I think that'll do.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Right. So next, what we need to do is we'll put this red wire in behind there,
Yes.
and that's the power that comes from the batteries. Yeah, just a little bit more.
We just have the little touch.
Yeah.
And so we have to get this.
Yeah.
And then get this thing. And so
Right,
we
so
have to
put it in so that people can see. Oh, whoa, whoa, don't jam it in. Wait.
Wait, which way?
So there we go.
Oh, yeah. Right, so...
And then if we push that in.
Here. And over here.
Yeah, just watch you don't break the clips.
Wait. Oh, it's quite hard.
Is it quite hard? Will Daddy help you?
Yeah.
You push it in now and it should clip into place. There we go.
There we...
Okay, and the next bit we need to do is put the LED in, and this is a special kind of light.
Ooh.
So
and then we're gonna put this down.
Yeah. So you put the two wires down the middle of the little tiny hole there. Is it frustrating?
Yeah.
Right, and you push it all the way down.
And there's a light, so it can actually light up.
Okay, and then
that's it finished.
We'll bring the wires out here, okay?
That's what it will look like when it's finished.
Right. So now that that's on, we need to put on the special... Now, you need other way around. Oh, no, you were right. Sorry, you were right. Daddy's been silly, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Just let make sure.
And then that will make it clip on.
So then we'll put this on here like that.
Yep.
And then can you put the red bit on the top? Does it clip in or does it just sit on?
Yep, it clips in.
Good boy. And then we need to put the wires in. So
I've got my football kit on.
I know you've got your football kit on.
Yeah, it's Celtic team.
It's Celtic team, yeah. Okay, so what we've got is we've got the wire coming from the battery, okay, and the power that goes to the little switch there. Okay, now these black ones, these all need to go together. So that's,
so it's like a matty thing.
Yeah, we're matching up the colours, exactly. So we need to put the...
We have to put them...
Let me just see here. If we put the black one in here, that's from the light and the motor. Okay. And then, and then we've got the buzzer, the alarm as well.
Yeah.
Daddy will do these ones and then you can do the red ones, okay? What are you laughing at?
I did my funny face again. Look, there's some people on the camera. That's Daisy's grandpa. Yeah. Yeah.
Right. And
he's walking on the road live.
I don't know, he should be watching for cars, shouldn't he? And we'll put this one in here and Daddy will just like, because this is really tricky, this bit.
Oh.
So that one goes in there. And this one goes in here.
Loopy time.
And if you want to put the last one in, and we'll put it in one of those two holes there, and you've got to push it all the way in. Let me see. That looks good enough to me. So, we need batteries now, don't we?
Yeah.
And we need to check them because Grandma didn't give us batteries, did she?
Nope.
And we had to use these ones that Daddy found in the workshop, didn't we?
Yeah.
So we need to make sure, because these expired 2 years ago.
Well, that's very old.
Yeah. How old were you 2 years ago?
4.
Good boy. Right, so if we take these, do you want to put one on each side?
Yep.
No, but at the same time though, and we need that to say 1.5 or more. Does that say 1.5 or more?
Yep.
What does it say?
15, 19.
No,
1.59. Ooh.
1.591 I think it said. So I think those are good. So do you want to put them in?
Yep. So you put them in.
So the
here.
flat side goes to the springy side. That's it. And then this one goes in with the pointy end that way. No, other way.
Oh, this way.
Yeah, that's it. And do you think it's going to work? Do you want to test it and press the button? Press it again. Right, so we've got a little problem, haven't we?
Yep.
Let me see. Has Daddy put the...
Oh, it fell out. Look.
Yeah.
We didn't. Yeah. I think it has to actually clip in.
Try it again. Oh.
I can see where you put it.
Yeah, and they're gentle. If it's not going to go in, don't push it right in. That's it. Right, try pressing it now. No, I think we're in the wrong one again. Hold on, this is silly.
Maybe we didn't do it right.
Ah, right, you try it now. Press and hold it. Oh, you keep pulling it out. So it goes in those two there, next to the red wire.
But this wire.
Right, Daddy, there we go. Put it in that one. Right, you press it. There we go. It's like a police siren, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Well, we turn the lights off so we can see.
Yeah.
Right, there we go. Yeah, you try and press it now. Press and hold it in.
Wow!
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Do you know what we could use that for?
What?
We could use that for waking Mummy up in the morning, couldn't we?
Yeah.
Because she's
lazy bones.
lazy bones, yeah.
and it actually sounds like leaky.
Yeah.
So you could do it like this.
Brilliant. Okie dokes. Well, there you go, guys. That was the little alarm kit from John Lewis that Charlie got for his birthday. Just a little DC motor and an LED. And what's happening here, Charlie, is the electricity is coming through here. There's a little resistor on a board in there. And that's going through the switch. The negative side of the battery is all common together. It's just this little tactile switch that's completing that circuit to make the buzzer and the light and a little motor spin, isn't it? Okay, so shall we say goodbye then? Do you want to say anything? Do you want to say goodbye to everybody?
Bye.
Okay, there we go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you didn't, give me the thumbs down. Click on my fat head down here if you want to. If you want to subscribe. And as always,
take care and all the best.
there we go, guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon.